Hi everyone, and welcome back to Nick's Diecast. For today's video, I'll be unboxing this Maisto 1971 Camaro that I found at Sam's Club. This was actually only $15, and for that price, I'd say it was a pretty good deal, considering that most Maistos go for, like $30+ on Amazon and whatnot. So I've been trying to find this model for a while. I got it in the yellow with the black stripes, like Bumblebee. I will go ahead and open up the model. It's the new Maisto box style. As you can see, I've shown it a couple times in previous videos, but it's got the special edition on the side, on the top, and on the back here as well. It has special edition, then 1/18 scale. Die-cast metal with plastic parts. Then you got the QR code down there, because it is a GM product, and all the licensees on the bottom there. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. Start with the side. All right, then we'll pull out the car. All right, here's the model out of the box. It looks pretty good. Looks like the stickers came up. So this trunk door was open when I initially took it out, so I just closed it up. But they're doing the thing where they have the stickers instead of like the bands going across the trunk and the hood. Maisto's been doing that recently. They just have the little stickers that hold it shut instead of the bands, so they're kind of easier to take off. So I'll just pull those out like so. And they don't leave any marks on the paint or anything. When I first saw this on a different model, I thought, ooh, they're gonna have some marks on the paint, but it doesn't mark up the paint, thankfully. So I'll just put those on the side. Let me get this one off back here. All right, now we'll unscrew it from the base. Last but not least, I gotta take off this strap here. So I can probably get into it just by that. Pull that out. Nice thing is that Maisto used to have like tape holding this on the car, but now they just do the strap and no tape, so it's much easier to take off. Oops, we'll put that up there. But it looks like a really cool model. I've been looking to add a classic Camaro to my collection for quite some time now, and I'm glad I waited because this looks awesome in like the black and yellow and everything. Of course, you got the opening doors. They actually open pretty wide too. The trunk, and then turn it upside down for the hood. All right, looks really good. Looking forward to doing an in-depth review on this. Thanks for watching.